I simply love homemade burger, and today let's prepare our veg coleslaw burger, which is super amazing. And here are the ingredients we need. So first let's prepare our aloo tikki, and for aloo tikki here are the list of ingredients we need. So let's quickly get started. Take a pan or a wok, add some oil to it, heat it, add cumin seeds, let it crackle, add your ginger and cook it for a minute or two. Add peas and saute it well for 10 minutes, and then we will be adding in our spices: salt, red chili powder, dry mango powder, some coriander powder. Add some roasted cumin to it, add some garam masala if you want to. Give it a quick mix, and then on low flame or switch off the flame, add your boiled mashed potatoes and mix well all the ingredients nicely. Now roll it to a ball shape, your potatoes, as you can see, and then we have to give it a tikki shape. So gently press it, giving it a shape of a tikki, as you can see, and repeat this whole step till the last batch is done. Meanwhile, you can heat oil for frying, or if you want to air fry it, you can preheat your air fryer at 180 degrees for 6 to 7 minutes. Till then our tikkis are being ready. Then we will be coating it well in the breadcrumbs for the crunchy flavor to it, and keep it aside. So once our air fryer is preheated, add it in the basket and set it for 8 to 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, just brush some oil, which is totally optional. If you want to brush some oil, you can brush it, and then set it again. So in total it will take around 10 to 12 minutes, and our tikkis will be ready. Keep it aside. For coleslaw salad, which we can even use for our sandwiches, so here are the ingredients. So first of all, take a mixing bowl and add in your favorite veggies which you want in your coleslaw salad, and then add in hunkered mayonnaise to it and mix it well. After mixing it well, add salt and black pepper to it. Give it a quick mix, and our veg coleslaw is ready. Keep it aside. So now let's prepare our veg coleslaw burger. So for that we will be needing our burger buns. Cut it in two halves, and then on one bun we will be applying our coriander chutney if we have at home, and then on the other bun we will be applying our tomato ketchup. As you can see, nicely evenly spread it. So after this we will be adding in our coleslaw, or even you can add some cheese slice first, and then we will be adding a spoon of our coleslaw salad which we have prepared. After that we will be keeping a tikki, and then adding onions and tomatoes to it. It is super amazing, and the cheesy flavor is super yum. The children's, they just love it. Cover it with the other bun, press it gently, secure it with a toothpick, and it is good to go in the griller. Grill it nicely till it is crisp, and our veg coleslaw burger is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your favorite sauce, and enjoy. Do tell me in the comment section how you find this recipe. Forget not to follow us. Thank you so much.